This is a used 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, a premium sound system, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Sayville Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5686 Sunrise Highway, Sayville, New York 11782.